The Great Northern Hub Electrification Project is a project created by Network Rail to upgrade the existing mainlines of the northwestern region to allow for servicing and maintenance of the new electrified rolling stock. Due to Emeg's formidable reputation, experience and proud ownership of a principal contractor license with Network Rail, we were selected by Volker Rail to upgrade the Blackpool North Maintenance Depot under confidence that it would be completed for May 2018. Emeg have redesigned the extended 7-road depot for light maintenance, servicing and stabling of both electric and diesel trains, along with marshalling and servicing facilities for further improvement to the railways in the region.
We've introduced new services such as an automated sanding facility, an automated CET facility which is controlled emission toilets, and also an 8-rotor train wash that washes the rolling stock at the end of each shift. The sanding is an automated system that pushes sand into sandboxes on each of the carriages. They use sand to sprinkle the rolling stock wheels in winter time, which gives them a better grip on the track. And the CET is installed to be able to evacuate the train's toilets, flush them out and evacuate the waste to drain.
Prior to Blackpool North, Emeg completed a brand new train care facility in Blackburn in 2017 to allow for train maintenance to continue for Northern whilst work ensued in Blackpool, and for future fleet expansion.
There's been more challenges than problems. That's how we look at it in any live design situation. And the primary challenges have been coordination of services. Because we're working on an existing site and partially a live site, then we've had to coordinate access of equipment, routes of cables and pipes, and there's a lot of track work, P-way, that we've had to cross over. Network Rail appreciated that we're a proactive and connected company when it comes to working with larger main contractors, and we have such experience that it allows them to preempt any issues because we do a lessons learned process from project to project, so we know that what's gone on in a depot previously, we can transfer that experience and that information to help us avoid issues on the next project.
Emeg's work at Blackpool North is just one scheme amongst many to go towards the massive effort by Network Rail to accommodate greener, quieter and more efficient rail services for passengers in the north of England.